Good day, I be to Dr. Ithnin bin Salleh, lecturer for Strategic Management course. I am Geneson Tedong, matrix number D2018 1082028, and for this video, I will be explaining the Pasang Group New Phase case study. Moving straight to the first question. Based on the given case, develop a mission statement based on any two components of the Pasang Group Berhad. The case study stated that Pasang is committed to product quality, customer satisfaction, and positive work culture. Community development and the best corporate governance practices are also very important to the group. Pasang Group also emphasized on the well-being of the employees, as all of them should be treated as valuable asset to the company. Pasang Group stressed the importance of community development, explaining that the corporation is concerned about its public image because it responds to social, community, and environmental concerns. That is the explanation I have on the first question. Now moving on to the next one, question 2A. Discuss two external forces faced by Pasang Group's residential portfolio that can influence the business. The first external force faced by Pasang Group is the political, legal, and government forces. The growing amount of political, legal, and legislative powers that can affect a corporation today through supervision, taxation, and legislation. For example, Pasang Group's property growth is dedicated to three specific fields, including development, residential, commercials, and hospitality, and also portfolios, which is aligned with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, which is driving the industry by a sustainable margin in investment. The second external force faced by Pasang Group is the technological advancement. The technical capabilities include the array of emerging innovations that have driven in the industry today. The internet is transforming the essence of a market that could pose an advantage or a challenge to a corporation. As for example, Pasang Group is inspired by technology in designing the futures of smart homes for their property growth, understanding that the ultimate goal for a firm is not the alliance deal or the alliance portfolio itself, but rather to use the possibilities provided by an advancement such as access to the resources of the business partner to create a new innovation. That is the question. Now we will continue with question 2B. Explain Porter's forces of potential entry of new competitors for Pasang Group. I will go straight to the answer. When a new rival can enter market with ease, the degree of competition rises. It may pose threat to other companies in the businesses. The need to quickly achieve economies of scale, the need to acquire technology and specialized know-how, lack of experience, unfavorable locations, counter-attack by entrenched firms, and potential market saturation must all be considered by Pasang Group. On the other hand, sees the necessities to acquire technology and specialized knowledge in order to grow their business, as well as to mitigate other threat of a new competitor. Customer loyalty is also gained by the Pasang Group's commitment to product quality and customer satisfaction. The Pasang Group must identify potential threats from new firms, monitor their strategies, and take advantage of whatever opportunity they can seize. That is for the question 2B. Now we move to the third question. Discuss three strategies implemented by Pasang Group Berhad with relevant examples. The first strategy that Pasang Group Berhad has followed is market development. Market development refers to the spread of existing commodities or services into new geographical areas. For instance, Pasang Group's project expanded over Malaysian economy and property hotspots, notably in Kuala Lumpur and the Klang Valley, Johor Bahru, Penang Islands, and Kota Kinabalu in Sabah. Then there's the product development. As for the second strategies, product development is a strategy for increasing income by improving and altering existing products or services. For example, Pasang Group's smart home features boost comfort and convenience while also providing state-of-the-art security safeguards to maintain unaffected quality from the outside world. Now, last but not least, there's the collaboration. The collaboration of two or more parties towards production of a project or operation is referred as to a partnership. In the case for Masing's group, for example, the company has formed a collaboration with EduCity Iskandar Malaysia. Now, the goal is to create student housing for Iskandar Malaysian's education center, which will provide roughly estimation of 183 complete furnished units for roughly 370 students. Now, finally, I will explain the last question, which is question number 4. Explain 3 social responsibility of Masing Group Berhad and provide a relevant example for each issues. The concept of social responsibility implies that a private firm has societal responsibilities beyond profit. The duty of a company to consider the requirements of its consumers, employees, shareholders, societies, and the environment, as well as the social and environmental ramifications of its commercial operations, is known as corporate social responsibility, or CSR. Companies will achieve the ultimate goal of delivering both social and impact and corporate value by implementing CSR into essential business operations. Social responsibility is an action taken by an organization beyond what is legally required to protect or enhance the well-being of living things. CSR is a concept whereby the organization considers the interests of society, taking responsibility for the impact of their activities on customers, employees, shareholders, communities, and other stakeholders such as the suppliers, and also considering the environment as well. The Masing Group, for example, is dedicated to establishing a solid relationship with the community, which led to the development of a charity known as the Masing Foundation. The Masing Foundation is dedicated to assisting and benefiting the less fortunate. Aside from that, Masing Group will continue to develop an ecologically conscious and sustainable housing project for purchasers who want to live in the most midst of nature. And finally, Masing Group is committed to product quality, customer loyalty, and healthy working environment, as well as staff well-being. The group's performance is also dependent on community development and excellent corporate governance procedure. Now, that is all answers and explanations I have for the Masing case study. And thank you for watching, and I hope to see you guys soon. And as always, have a nice day.